Hi friends, welcome back to today's session of growing your business digitally. And if you are starting with a new website, if you are planning to start with a new website of yours, 10 things that you must be making sure that your website is having are: number 1, make sure that your website address, the domain that we call as, is easy to understand, easy to pronounce, and easy to locate on the website. So make sure that your website, your web address, your domain is simple, is sensible, and works for your business. Number 2, make sure that your website has a very easy and a very comfortable site map. What is a site map? Is how we navigate on the site. How, you would have seen that the website has a navigation bar, then there is a footer where all the information is there, and there are some links over there. Make sure that your website has a easy to understand site map that maps and that matches to your business, that matches to what your business is about, how you are going to serve the people, how the people can reach out to you, how the people can get in touch with you. So the site map is logical and easy to understand. So once you have that, you are 50% done. Figure it out. If you have displayed your contact information at easily findable places, the contact information should be displayed prominently at places where people easily are able to find it and locate it. So yes, try doing that. The next is make sure that your website has the testimonials from your past customers, and these testimonials could be in the form of videos, audios, texts. I would say the video testimonials are the best because they seem or sound to be the most genuine ones. Try having video testimonials from your customers. See that your website first says about the problems that you are solving and why people would want to know more about you, and should people be going to other places in the website. So make sure that your website clearly says about the problems that you are solving. Yes. The next is have a very clear call to action. Why a clear call to action is that you first understand that what you want people to do on your website. You want them to call you, you want them to schedule an appointment, you want them to fill up a contact form. What exactly you want them to do? Have a very clear call to action. Know and understand the basics of SEO, because your website has to be searched on Google, easily searchable on Google. Make sure that your website has been SEO optimized at the most basic level at least, so that you have a good and a successful website. Once you have that, make sure that you have a good content on your website. This is the most important part. And why I say this to be the most important part, because people would be reading your website, people would be seeing what kind of information you have on the website. So it is like you telling about your business via your website. So make sure that your content is fresh, written in a very clear and in a very crisp way, does not have a lot of content words to it, but it says more with less words, right? Make it easy to read, make it user friendly, make it extremely responsive, and make sure that your website is mobile responsive. Yes, because today most of the people are visiting your website from their mobile. Make sure that your website is extremely mobile friendly. Then the next is make sure that your website is secured and uses a secured hosting platform. Yes, this is very important, because so that people do not get afraid of visiting your website. Your website should show all the security marks, the HTTPS being the most important thing. And as I already spoke of, that your website should have a very user friendly design, a very user friendly content, and an extremely mobile friendly design. So if you have all of these things in your website is bound to be successful. Have a good day from me, Sawan Kumar.